Hello guys and welcome back. All right, so some time back on the contact form here, I deleted a Google Map and one of my viewers asked me how I can go about if I wanted to actually add a Google Map here, how I would do that. So it's actually quite simple to do that. So maybe I can demonstrate here for a second before we continue. So let's go to, oh, by the way, if you can download the new version of Sublime Text, it's quite good. If you hold down Control here, you can open several of these windows just by holding down Control and doing that. So you can view multiple documents at the same time. Very nice feature. Anyway, so if I go to my views, down here where I go to the contact form. So where am I here? Close the admin section, contact.php inside the views. So right here before the get in touch, after contacts, somewhere in here, I want to add a Google Map. So what I will do is simply put a div there to hold everything together. And then once I'm done, just open a browser, go to Google search and just search for Google Maps. And of course you have Google Maps, google.com/maps. So open that. So it looks like me, like this on my location because I'm in Lusaka, Zambia. And yeah, so here I've clicked my location to a specific location and it has shown me a path. So if you want to actually show a path like this, you can do that. If I'm driving, I will click on the driving part here so that it updates as if I am driving. So this helps to pin a location of where you want or where your business is, or where the business for the website actually is, from a known location somewhere. So once you have that pin there, all you need to do is click on the menu and then go to share or embed map. So click on that, and then instead of the sharing here, click on embed map here. Now you can select small, large, or medium, or custom size that you want for your map here. So a custom size, you'd need to enter the width and height like this. And if I say preview actual size, this is what I get here. So that's the map right here, and that's how it will look like. So once you are satisfied with your map, you just click copy HTML, and just like that you have your code that you need. So right here, all I need to do is paste in that div. So you can go through the parameters here just to get familiar with them and see what exactly was done. Because for example here, if you see, this one gives you the latitude and longitude of locations here and the name of the location. So if you really want to go in there and hard code these things, you can change some of these parameters to get exactly what you want. Or simpler things like the width and the height, these you can easily adjust. So let me just put 1,000 there for a second. And then once you're done, that's it. All you need to do now is refresh your page, make sure the internet is connected, and that should give you your Google Map. So there we go. Now I have my map here, and then the contact details are down there. So let's see what the smaller version would do. Custom size, let's go to small. And let's just copy that HTML and come back here. I want to replace that. So I guess the small size is 400 by 300. This is probably the only difference here is the resolution. And let's come back here and refresh that. And we get a small version of our map right there. And the user still has these controls to run with. Okay, so that was just a quick tutorial on how to actually add a Google Map if your client wants that for their website. It's actually pretty easy, as you have seen here. All right, so let's continue to the next video for more.